What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I'm going to break down what's going on with the market right now and talk about what's happening with the Fed funds rate. Before I say anything, let me just mention that I'm not a financial planner, but anyways, the news has just came out that the Fed is going to leave the Fed funds rate unchanged for this session, for this FOMC. Now, we don't know for sure if it's going to be truly a pause or a skip, but we won't know for sure until July, because July is when we're going to find out what they're going to do afterwards. But for now, the market is going to be reacting to this, and the Fed is going to leave the rate hike unchanged. As a result of this, we got some pretty decent PPI data, which I mentioned earlier, and that is going to be a leading indicator for CPI, and it looks like the Fed is optimistic. Now, as for the market started to sell off pretty hard the second that this news came out, and that's why I warned you guys to be careful. But here's the thing. There's no guarantee it's about to just crash from here and we're done with. No guarantee, okay? You're gonna have to watch support and resistance levels. Watch them all very carefully. Currently, we're at 433. We could get a rebound. You're going to be watching all these resistance levels, and this could even be a fake out. Sometimes that happens in the mornings, so we just have to be careful. We have to watch it very carefully and be very patient. I'm not saying it is one or it isn't one. Just be very patient and wait for what's about to happen. Jerome Powell is going to be speaking very soon too. I really can't predict exactly which way the market's going to go when he speaks, but very soon we're going to be watching support and resistance levels. Right now, at the time I'm recording this, we have some support at this 433 zone, as I mentioned before. The next major level is going to be 432. After that comes 430. However, if it gets this rebound when Powell is speaking, it could still happen. This could still be a fake out. There's a possibility. If it's a fake out, you're going to be watching resistance around this 435 area. If it breaks above that, watch 436.25, 436.64 on SPY. Break that zone. We're going to be back up to the high we made into the 437 to 438 zone. Break that. 440 and 442 could also come. But I just want to let you guys know, I don't know exactly how this is going to play out. I'm not a fortune teller. Now it's going to react a lot. This could be a fake out. This could be a trap, or it may not be. So watch the levels carefully. We'll see what happens. The market could be unpredictable sometimes. It's very hard to predict it during Powell's speeches. And just get ready for a wild, wild ride. Tesla came all the way down to 250, trying to bounce off 250 support. I had this zone right over here. I think I need to extend this. But overall, it's pretty wild how this price action is developing. Now Tesla's trying to bounce off of this. The market's trying to rebound a bit. Let's see how this goes. Like I said before, it's very tricky to play these when Powell starts speaking. He could just cough and the market's going to move like crazy, so just be ready for that. There's no guarantee it just crashes from here, guys. Don't fall for this. QQQ hit 316, tried to bounce off that. No guarantee of that just yet. It could try to make a nice rebound later on. We're just going to be watching this all very carefully, okay? So please, please, please be patient and watch all these different levels. I'm going to be unavailable. I will be back later on to talk about what happened during the FOMC meeting. But until then, stay strong, do what you have to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Market to the moon, as the long term is still very, very bright. Stay strong, everyone, and get ready for a wild ride as Powell's about to speak. Thank you, and peace out.